guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we are a minimalist family of 7 who are living big with less, and today I have our car clean and organized with me. So if this is on your list of jobs to do, stick around and we could do it together. So guys, we have just finished our school holidays here in Australia. We had 2 weeks off over the Easter break and we went away 3 times on that break, and so our car was absolutely trashed. And now we've been back at school for over a week, and I keep thinking I want to film this, so I keep putting it off, and it has gone bonkers in there. So I'm almost embarrassed to show you. It is so bad. There is just stuff everywhere. There is food. We live by the beach, and so there is sand and goodness knows what else. So I'm going to give it a full clean. I'm cleaning out car seats, wiping everything down. I'm going to show you how I give it a top to bottom reset, and also what some of the things I keep in my car all the time are. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay guys, so this is the before shots of just how bad our car had gotten. There was so much stuff that did not belong in here, as well as so many crumbs. It looks like someone opened a box of Cheerios in my middle seat and just spread them out everywhere. It is so bad, so don't feel bad if your car looks like this, because we all get like this sometimes. And I'm going to show you how we get it back to square one. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love. That's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. So the first thing we do is just get rid of all of the stuff that does not belong out of the car. And that just makes it so much easier to tackle the cleaning part. We are doing this downstairs in our garage, which is a great way to do it for us because we can get rid of any rubbish straight into our garbage bins outside, and I can also put all the shoes away properly in the garage and then organize anything that does belong in the car back in the car. And it seems like nothing makes it better. You should try to remember that's just how it is. Now I am just starting the vacuuming. I like to vacuum from the front to the back, and I vacuum and clean one area at a time. Just if I get interrupted, it's way easier for me to pick it up later if I know what I've done. That's just love. That's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. As you can see, I have lots of little helpers helping me clean the car, and this is Hamish's favourite thing to do, just use the car like a jungle gym, but at least he's happy and I can get the cleaning done. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. So now what I'm doing is just using equal parts water and vinegar, and I actually use this on almost everywhere in the car. It just gets rid of any dust. We actually had fabric protection put on our car, so just the slightest dampness on the seats and everything just helps to get rid of any marks, but it doesn't like wet the seat at all. This middle section of our car is by far the worst. It's where all the kids get into the car. It just seems to be where the mess congregates. And so I like to rip out all the car seats before I get started, just to make sure that I can clean all the chairs properly. To do everything you said you would. Oh my gosh, guys, I found so many random things in those car seats. It was not even funny. Straws, tissues, it was like a slot machine. It just kept giving me more stuff out of the seats. I didn't even know where it was coming from.
How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
So I really like to use a combo of my spray as well as the vacuum, just as you get into nooks and crannies and, you know, disturb the crumbs, you can often suck them back up with the vacuum cleaner. Oh my goodness, guys, these middle tracks were so gross. I had no idea they were harboring like a city of dust and disgustingness under there. So I was so glad that I took the time to just go through and really get into all those crevices where all the junk hides.
How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
So now I'm just vacuuming and cleaning out our boot space. This is where most of the sand is because that's where we put our towels. So I just give it a really good vacuum and then I'm just going to sit our back 2 seats up and clean in between all of those seat grooves.
How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. One for the rest.
So guys, in all honesty, this actually took us over an hour to vacuum everything out. And then after all that, I decided I should pull the car seats out and take all the covers off and wash them. And I'm so glad I did because I actually found down in Hamish's seats like so many crumbs and food debris that had fallen down. So I gave everything a really good wipe out and I just washed his car seat cover in the washing machine on a delicate wash, just normal washing powder, and it comes up perfect every time.
Where you can be adored, you'll get what you deserve. This town is no fun, your life has just begun. We need to live and learn. You know the time has come for breaking some new ground. I'll let you try.
Here is it all finished. It always comes up so good after a really good vacuum. I know that everything's been wiped over. Even our car seats, they come up so well every time, and it's just worth the time to do it. So here is what I keep in our glove box. It's just our car books, plastic cups, deodorant, perfume, Band-Aids, headache tablets, sticky tape because I'm always wrapping a birthday gift as we're arriving at a party, hand sanitizer, and baby wipes. I try and keep as much as possible in one of these little cosmetic bags. It just keeps everything neat and tidy in the glove box. And then that stuff that we use all the time, like the hand sanitizers and the wipes, I just keep in that front glove box so we can access them when we need to. We actually have a second glove box, and I just keep our Dreamworld cup and our passes for the theme park Dreamworld. And then in this middle part, I keep all of our cables in this little purse, as well as the kids' sunglasses. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would absolutely love to hear from you in the comments. If you're new, we would love to have you subscribe. Here's our latest video if you're interested, and here's some other videos that we think you might like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me know you'd like more videos like it, and I will catch you guys in the next one.